Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Over here, we're going to be looking at integrating Pixel to your Facebook ad. So adding Pixel to your Facebook ad, that's what we're going to be looking at here. So we're just going to go over to create your ad. You need to create your ad before you see your Pixel. So I'm going to go over to sales. You can check our former video. We already talked about sales when we explain everything here. So check our previous class. So I'm going to click on continue. So just wait for it to load our ad. So here is our ad environment. This is our first page. You can go ahead and rename the page. So that place I highlighted, you can just name the page in case you want to name your ad. In case you missed it, you didn't click on the sales or whatsoever you want to advertise. So you can also go there and click on it. So this is the amount. You can actually fund your wallet. So the default amount is 4,975 naira. Just leave it like that. So the total amount of money you are going to spend it in a day is 8,706 naira. So that's what we are going to spend. So you can edit it. The minimum amount is 1,005 a day, 8,500 naira. But you can just go ahead and click on next. Alright, so here is one of our most important page. So here we're going to pick what we want. If we want to direct people to our website or want people to go to our app. So here, because of the Pixel, we want to direct people to our website. So there's difference. You don't need Pixel to direct people to your WhatsApp. So say send people to one location where you want them to convert is website. So I'm going to click on website. So make sure you pay attention. So once we click on website, you see we now have an option to create Pixel. Alright, it's now called dataset. It was formerly called Pixel. So we say it's a dataset formerly known as Pixel is required to publish, set up your dataset or switch to a different optimization. Different optimization they're talking about is maybe landing page view. Landing page view doesn't need anything like that. So we're just going to check that out. So these are the recommendations. So you can see others. So you can actually pick up. Now we pick landing page views. You can see that there is nothing there. Landing page views, it's just you can just go ahead and start setting your ad up without a Pixel. And the recommended one need Pixel. All right. So by that is maximizing the number of conversion to know the number of people who are interested in buying your product. That if you want to make sales on your website or your landing page, this is the one you're going to pick, which is the recommended, and you need to fix your Pixel. All right, you're not just going to track the people that enter your website. You're going to track the people that actually make purchase, what they did on your website, if they clicked on anything. So that Pixel is going to give you information. All right, so there are codes you are going to add up to your website. We're going to be doing that very soon. So we're just going to go ahead and click on our data set. Here they require you to put in your website URL, or okay, this is where we put the name. All right, the Pixel, we are creating the Pixel now, so this is the name of the Pixel, and this is where we are going to put our website. So you just enter engtechmedia.com.ng. so make sure the website is correct, because they are going to check it out. They are going to connect to your website. So if it's not correct, there is no way they are going to be able to gain access to your website. So just click on continue. Now we have two different options. So in order to make your Pixel ready to use, we have two different options, two settings that we are going to make. Now we have write code, so writing code to your website, and we also have return to creating your ad set. It's a write some code on your website. Now we're just going to go ahead and click on the first one. Right, so there are two different options here. You can just pick any one. So I'm just going to read through that, so you can make sure you look at the instructions given to you, because Facebook normally updates their Pixel every time. You can see it's now called dataset, but formerly called Pixel. All right, so So it's still called Pixel now, but it's now a data set, but people know him as Pixel. Right? So you can see, it is very important to read through and know what you're talking about. So it's a conversion API and Meta Pixel is the recommended one. All right, use the conversion API combined with a Pixel. So this API is what we're going to integrate into our website. So we're going to click on that. So you're able to read and know the amount of people that came for Facebook, what they came to do on your website. Now we have two options here. We have manually integrate API or use partner integration. Partner integration is very important and very simple. So manual is currently not highlighted. I think that is from Facebook issue. Maybe they are currently not for the now. No, they keep making updates. Maybe it will be available later. So you can manually do that. If you're a programmer, it will be easier for you to do. So you can manually do that. So you can just make use of the second one, which is they're going to give us partners, that people, companies that are partnering with Facebook, companies that build your website. So companies that you can either use to build your website or use to create your landing page. So you can check our previous videos on creating landing page. All right. So we're going to use WordPress. We are going to be using WordPress on this landing page. We are going to check out is WordPress. EasyTechMedia is actually a website. So over here, they give you a breakdown of what to do. All right. So that means you're supposed to install the plugin on our WordPress before we now connect it. So I want to go ahead and just try to connect it without installing the plugin. Let's see what's going to happen. So this is the Facebook Pixel. So we are supposed to go over to your WordPress and look for Facebook Pixel and install it. So I'm going to click on next. So this is still a screenshot of what it's going to look like. All right, so I'm going to just go over there and put in our URL. So by now they assume that we have already installed our Pixel on our WordPress website, but we haven't done that. I just want to show you something. Let me just put our website and click on connect. It's going to take you straight to our website, but it will not see Google, Facebook Pixel on our website, and it's going to let you know that it's not connected yet. So you can see this is our website. All right, Facebook took us here now because we gave it the link. So I'm going to go back. As you can see, it's not highlighted there because we haven't connected it yet. It said no activity yet. In other words, it has not detected any Pixel on our website because we haven't done anything on our website. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So I'm going to go put our website again and try to apply again to see if it's going to work. So it's never going to work. They are not going to detect it automatically. If we had wanted to put code, right, it would have worked, but we haven't done anything. As you can see. So we need to go over to our admin dashboard on our website, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just showing you the errors, just so you know that you cannot bypass. If you are not past this stage, you can't go over to the next stage. So you can't bypass it. You must connect your website and do what they want you to do. All right. So I'm just going to head over to my WordPress site. Now I'm going to go to my dashboard. So I'll just remove the URL and head over to our admin login page so I can log into the dashboard area. All right, this is our WordPress page. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in. So this is our dashboard now. So this is our dashboard. So the first thing we want to do here is to install our plugin. Which plugin? The Facebook Pixel plugin. So I'm going to go to our plugins. I'm going to click our plugins, then go to install plugin. So there's a drop down. So these are plugin. I'm going to click on add plugin. So over here we can just type in whatsoever plugin. Any plugin that we type in that is available on WordPress is going to display here. So we are going to make sure you check our spellings correctly, because if the spelling is not correct, you will not be able to detect the particular plugin that you are searching for. So you're just looking for, as you can see, there's no plugin found. Why? Because what I typed, it doesn't match any available plugin. All right, so I'm going to make sure that you type the right word. All right, so these are Google Pixel. So we're going to make sure it's compatible. As you can see, it says last updated 7 months ago, and it's compatible with our WordPress. So I'm going to go over and click on install. Once we are done installing it, I'm going to activate. Click again to activate. All right, so we have activated it. So I'm just going to look for it on our dashboard, on our plugin area. All right, so we're going to click on settings. So as you can see, this right, this is exactly the screenshot that was shown to us on Facebook. So once I click on it now, it's going to take me direct to my page. Right, it will take me back to, this is my Facebook account. It will send me back to my Facebook account. Now it's going to try to connect to my Facebook account. As you can see, continue as wire. WordPress app will receive your name and profile picture. This doesn't let WordPress app post on Facebook without your permission. You can see WordPress is trying to connect this website to Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. You can see the information they are trying to, give to us. So I will zoom that in so that we can read and know what they are talking about. So we have our business portfolio, Facebook page, Spa Service Limited. Now you detect the Facebook page, so you can see, because we are currently open. We are currently using the Facebook page. You can switch from your account to Facebook page. So we switch to Facebook page, and we try to create an account. So you automatically detect the Facebook page. So it's going to connect. This piece is going to connect our website to that Facebook page, which is the Spa Service. So I'm just going to go over to. We'll click on next. Make sure you read. Make sure you pay attention to the information they are sending. And once you are done, click on next, because they actually change all this information every time. They make changes most of the time, so you will not be left behind. So you can come here in 1 month time and discover that they are making some changes, and you have to follow the new directives. Right? You said you are all set. I'm going to hit on done. So over here now it's going to take a few minutes to connect. So I'm just going to see if it has connected already. Let's go back. Now you can see it's still showing the same errors, because we just finished connecting it. So it's just going to take some few minutes before it automatically reflects on our Facebook page. And mind you, if we go over to our Pixel, so we're going to give it time to load itself. So we'll try one more time. Not activate. No activity yet. So this is normal. As you can see on our WordPress Pixel, you can see that they gave us a confirmation. Okay, it said connection pending. Okay, we are passing your system user token back to Engitech Media. Oh, so I think we missed a step. We are doing a hurry, so we didn't confirm the transfer of our Pixel. We didn't confirm the connection. So I'm just going to go ahead and tick these filter page view events and enable event. So I'm just going to tick those two boxes. But mind you, even if we are done connecting it from here, it's still going to take us a few minutes. All right, it's going to take us a few minutes before Facebook will detect the connection. So we'll still need to give it time, just like 5 to 6 minutes to be connected. So if I try to come here and check again, let me see if it has been connected. It's still going to show me the same. It's going to be the same thing because we just finished connecting it not up to a minute as we just did the final connection. So as you can see, it's actually very easy to do. It's very easy. So all you need to do is to pay attention and follow the instructions that was given to you. All right, this is our business page, as you can see. So let me zoom that in. Say connected apps. You can say WordPress is currently connected. So that shows that we have already been connected. So if we go over to our front page to create ad there, we are going to see that it has already been connected. So this is how you connect your Pixel. This is how you connect your Pixel from your website. Like I said before, the purpose of connecting your Pixel is so that you can get informations, you can get the amount of people that are entering your page, people that are making purchase. So you only connect your Pixel for a page that want to collect information from people. You want to know what is going on your website. So if you just want normal access,